The RStudio is already open in my computer. Now let me open a new R script and let me set the working directory. Set the working directory. So I'm going to set it in one of my desktop folder. I'm copying the path name and then set wd within quotation. So this is going to be my working directory now, for now. Okay, now the thing is, we are going to download stock market data of a Bangladeshi publicly listed company from Dhaka Stock Exchange website. Unfortunately, this is not available in all platforms, so let me show how to get it from Dhaka Stock Exchange website. So this is a kind of manual web scraping or something like that. So I'm going to the Dhaka Stock Exchange BD website, and then today I will download the stock price data of GP. So let me click data archives. From the bottom of the home page, you'll actually get this link everywhere on every pages of Dhaka Stock Exchange website. So anyway, my target is to download the closing price probably for the for 1 year period. So today is 23rd November. Maybe I can start from 23rd. So yesterday was 22. So it's from starting from 23rd November 23, then ending until yesterday. Actually, yesterday was a holiday weekend actually. So let us choose up to Thursday 21st. And we don't want all instrument. At this stage, we will focus on only one stock. Later on, we'll go for portfolio. So let me choose one stock with a shorter name, probably GP, very short name, view close price. So what I'll do, I'll manually copy select the table containing the stock price. I'll not go beyond the table, then copy it and then paste it in Excel actually. So I have to open Excel as well. Let me just create a blank worksheet, Excel worksheet, and then copy here. I don't want the formatting and all these things to come here, so I'm pasting with destination formatting. And what I will do, let me increase the size a bit so that you can see. So delete all the unnecessary rows and columns. We don't need the serial number, so let me delete it. We need the date, trading code. For now it is not needed. Okay, let me keep it, no problem. And then close price, the name contains one star. I'm deleting the star, that will be convenient. And then what I will do, I will actually select all the columns, right to my data, and select by Control Shift right arrow or Command Shift right arrow, then right click and then delete columns. So what will happen, all the columns will be replaced by new empty columns. The intention is to delete any unwanted characters, maybe space or something like that, coming up from that website, because I have copied from the website. Similarly, Control Shift or Command Shift down arrow to select all the rows and then delete, to replace them with blank rows. So we don't have anything beyond this area, beyond the area of our data. Okay, now I will save this as a CSV file. Save as. Remember to use the comma separated value CSV. Do not go for any other variation. try to find the very simple comma delimited CSV. Okay, do not choose Macintosh comma separated, MS-DOS comma separated. Okay, avoid these kind of things, or simply choose comma separated values. That is the best one. Okay, comma separated values .csv, and the file name is, okay, actually the file name, actually we are going to save it in the desktop. Where is the desktop? Okay, yeah, and under desktop we have one folder R. Okay, and under R I just type GPD, stands for GP data. Okay, so save it as a comma separated value. Now let me close this one and close this one as well, and now come back to R. So now read the file, read the data file and assign a name. So how to do that? Using read.csv command, and we have to get the path name. So right click this one, actually, you know, our previous, because it is already, we have already selected the working directory, so we don't need to do that. We just need the file name actually. Okay, so if you go here under file and desktop, and then go to the file where we are working, actually R. Okay, you can see that we have the file here. Okay, so we can right away ask R to read CSV. Another way is to if in case the file is elsewhere, not in the working directory, so in that case you have to copy the full path, like we have done for setting the working directory. So in this case we just type the file name, so within quotation gpd.csv. do not forget the extension. Okay, so control enter. What I will do, I will actually assign it to gpd, assign the name right away, then control enter. So you can see we have 235 observations of 4 variables. If you want to have a look at this file, then you can click here and you can see that we have the dates, we have the trading code, we have the closing price, and we have the yesterday closing price. Okay, so another way of looking at it is examine the structure. Examine the structure of the data frame or data, whatever you say, no problem. So you can actually use the command head. Okay, you can use the command head and then provide this name and then control enter. You can see in the console, you can see the first 6 data, and that is sufficient for you to understand. But if you want to have a deeper look, for example, what is the type of data saved and all this thing, so in that case you have to use the str command, strgpd, control enter. Now you can see it is a data frame, the object is a data frame, and it has, so you can see detailed information is given. Okay, 235 observations, 4 variables, and date is considered as character, trading code is character, that is right, closing price is number, and yesterday closing price is also number. So you can see that all types are okay except date. Date should be date, it should not be character. So we have to do something about this we have to get our data set ready before any further analysis.